We're here at Tukad Cepung Waterfall. I totally said that wrong. A little late for sunrise. That's still well worth the hour drive. It's creepy down there. Go under here. So we hung out over there for about 30 more minutes for some more sunlight. Still pretty dark. So I read online it's supposed to be really cool for sunrise. We technically missed the sunrise, so I don't know if there was like a perfect timing to see the waterfall right when the sun rises, or I just read the thing completely wrong. But I recommend coming in the middle of the day because the sun doesn't really come in that well because it's like down in the rocks. And midday will probably be better to get the most light possible. But we're not gonna sit here all day, to wait for it to get more light. But yeah, great waterfall. Come later in the day if you want to get the best lighting. It's still pretty dark, but starting to look a lot more greener as we're coming back out. We found the top of the waterfall now that it's sunlight out. Huge spider web. Huge butterfly. Check out this giant spider. Wow. Insane. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour of Tukad Cepung Waterfall. It was my very first early morning night ride in the rain on a motorbike, so it was a little overwhelming driving through the jungle considering my helmet did not have a face shield. So I was a bit late arriving, but hey, it's all about the adventure, right? Driving time is between an hour and a half and 2 hours depending on your driving experience. If you're taking a motorbike, be sure to wear a helmet that has a full face shield covering because of low hanging trees, road debris, and large sized bugs flying around, which would not feel too good if you got hit in the face. Speaking from experience. On today's episode of Toilet Tours, looks more like a dungeon. Walking door. Spider webs, can't really see them. Nice blue porcelain squatty potty. Fresh lemon scent. Toilet bowl cleaner to clean the hole. Complimentary face mask.